Step aboard the MS Island Sky, a luxurious small expedition ship designed for travelers who crave comfort and adventure. Operated by Noble Caledonia, this elegant vessel offers the perfect blend of boutique-style cruising and intimate exploration. With just over 100 guests, the MS Island Sky delivers a personalized experience, world-class service, and access to off-the-beaten-path destinations that larger ships simply can't reach. Featuring spacious suites, refined dining, and a relaxed country house atmosphere, this ship is a favorite among discerning travelers. Why you'll love the Island Sky. Small ship cruising with luxury amenities, expert-led expedition experiences, unique global itineraries, all suite accommodations with ocean views.